Chop mga boss, dito tayo sa Bristol. So we have a couple of bikes to review today, no? Unahin natin si Venturi 500cc ng Bristol. We'll see the difference from the other bikes na branded. Let's say for example, comparison niya is si BMW 1260. Si Venturi nga pala is it's a little I would say parang GS na rin siya, itsura. Naka-spokes na rin siya, gold alloy rims, and then sa 500cc na displacement, which I believe na okay na siya, street driving, and then kung chill rider ka lang, ikaw yung tipong Sunday riders, kung gusto mo lang mag-chill lang every Sunday, this is the best bike that fits for you. Review natin. Ito na naman, next nating stop is yung most awaited na motor na gusto kong, I would say gusto ko, but it's maybe not now, si ADX 160. Ayan siya guys. So quick tour muna tayo, just a run around. Dual piston ABS, touring spokes, adjustable wind visor, naked, LCD 3 inches, top box sprocket, suspension wise.
Yeah.
Sir, sir. Pwede na. Sabi nila, kabahan na ba si Honda ADV? Oh, I would say yes. Kasi medyo competitive naman si Bristol guys. Compared, look at their designs, no? Sa designs pa lang, and then kung makita nyo naman yung looks ni ADX, it's really quite, I would say, lumalaban. Ayan. But di lang yan guys, meron pang bago sa Bristol. Meron siyang 400cc na maxi scooter. So I would say panlaban din to kay X-Max, no? Kasi si X-Max is 300cc, but si Bristol maxi scooter, it's a 400cc maxi scooter. Take note guys, maxi scooter pero naka dual sports. Check natin guys, run around. Pala nakuha na isang ADX guys, ayun o. So, tatlo lang yun guys, sold na. Ano pa inaantay nyo? Sa mga gustong kumuha dyan, mayroon pang isang naiwan na yun, oh. Ito yung si 400cc guys. Sasabi ko, na X-Max kabahan ka na. Okay guys, run around muna yun Tapos i-full details natin. Wait lang. Angas ng taillight niya guys. Yung variant, blue, white, and the red one. Alright guys, so na-review na natin si Venturi 500. Ang next natin na-review is si 600cc. Just so nakikita sa likod ko. Siya yung parang siya yung sports bike ni Bristol. It's actually a QJ motor pero it's an inline 4. So let's go, let's check. So, quick glimpse muna guys. Ngayon, guys, pag-usapan natin guys kung anong meron siya. Ayan. So, pag-usapan natin kung anong meron siya guys. Naka-Brembo lang naman siya. Both rear and front na caliper. At the same time, meron siyang dual disc brake. So, it's adding more power on stoppage. I would say, you know, to stop the bike. So, siguro sa 600cc, kailangan lang maging dual disc brake. I'm not sure guys kung meron pa ibang 600cc dito na kapresyo niya na dual disc brake at the same time Brembo na. So, check natin guys. Tara! Ito yung isa niyang variant or isang kulay. Green-gray. Same thing. Carbon. So, mga sports lover dyan guys. Diba? Angas din guys. Yes, Brembo din yun guys. Yung rear disc brake. Pipe is ready for open pipe. Tapos naka side yung kanyang parang Ducati guys, no? Yung suspension is sa gilid. So most likely, it's a combination of Ducati and then Kawasaki